All right, Python Web Conference 2023. I am back again with one of our amazing speakers for this year. I'm joined by Matt Harrison. Matt, give a quick introduction. I think a lot of people know you, but I want to make sure we get you a quick spot here.
Sure, yeah, I do corporate training. I like to say that I sell snake oil and teach people to tell lies with data. But I teach Python and data science generally for larger companies. And I also create content as well around those topics.
This year, you're going to be talking about something a little bit different from what you did last year during the conference. Give people a little teaser for what they're going to expect to hear from you during the conference this year.
Topic this year is consulting for introverted developers. If you're someone who feels like you like interacting with computers more than people, and I think a lot of people who are that programming side, or like that's the whole reason I work with computers is to not interact with people. The point of this talk is to basically show you how to put the balls in motion to attract interest from others. I think a lot of us think that, there's a meritocracy, and as long as I'm good at some skill, like I'm good at programming, I'm good to go. And I've found that, having skill is good, but oftentimes it's not sufficient in and of itself.
I'm really looking forward to your talk. I think it's going to be an exciting aspect of the conference this year. What are you looking forward to during this conference this year?
Yeah, I'm always interested in connecting with other people, learning what they're doing, see what's up and coming, and what I should be paying attention to as well.
I look forward to seeing you at Python Web Conference 2023 coming up here just in a couple weeks. Thanks, Matt, again for being with us. We really enjoyed you last year for the tutorials. You can actually check out Matt's talks. They're up on the YouTube channel as well here from last year, and this is a brand new talk this year. So thanks again, Matt.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks for having me.